Hey guys, how y'all doing today? This is my grumpy tough guy, Gears. You know, from Transformers Generation 2 Changing Gears. Gears may be homesick, but he sees the bright side of things. Like, we all get homesick, like Mirage does too. Even people, even me, when I'm away from home, I don't feel myself. I get homesick. I like to be home. Yeah, I respect Gears, and he's awesome. I like what Prime said to Gears. Gears, activate your infrared. Trying to find rabbits, and that's cool. I like that ability, that power. Wonder what happened to him. I didn't see him in the 1986 movies. Like, I don't know what happened to him. Like, I thought Trailbreaker would beat them with his force field, Mirage's invisibility, and Hound's hologram, because I like all three of their powers, and Gears' red power thing. Till all are one, transform and roll out. And this is what Gear said in Fire Sky. He said this to Hound. I got a tingle in my senses that we might be falling into something. Yeah, Gears is cool.